today we're going to be refurbishing this end table. We'll be blending this teal with this teal on the sides. When blending different colors together, you're going to need different brushes. You're going to need one brush for each color that you're blending. So I'm going to be blending two. So I have two brushes that are very similar. The third brush you need is going to be a chip brush, just a brush that you can use that doesn't have either color on it, that's dry, to blend your paint. You will also need a paper plate to wipe the excess paint off of before you continue to blend the next part. And of course, if you have questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. I will answer you. I answer every single question I get. And if I need to make a video to answer your question, I'll do that as well. Okay, to blend, first you're going to dip one brush in one color. Okay, and we'll be just brushing that on there. We'll dip our second brush into the darker color. And we're going to put that paint on. Put our brushes down, and that's when blending comes in handy. So we're going to take and run our final brush across. We're going to wipe it off and run it across again and again. Rub it across, blending, until you feel like it's good. For me, I think I'm good. So I like how I have a little bit of extra green where it doesn't belong. That is totally fine. So here I go with my lighter color on right next to the darker one. We'll do darker color. And as you can see, my color lines are not perfect. Nothing lines up. There's a spot that was missed there. It doesn't have to match up or be perfect lines. So we'll take and we'll blend this. We'll give our paintbrush a wipe. We'll blend this. Looks good to me. Next color is our light color again. Dip it in. And get that paint on there. And if we get it on the sides, oh well. Take, blend that. Get that paint off. Blend it. Blend it. Blend it. Alright, so that side is done. As I said before, if you have questions, leave them in the comments below and I am happy to answer them or make yet a little video to answer them. I want to truly be your friend if we're going to help each other on YouTube. I don't just want to have you not even like my videos but subscribe to help me. That doesn't help, but if you like my videos, please subscribe. Just kind of blend in this. I just finished painting the rest of the blended colors. Let me show you. Now I didn't do the front. We got something different for the front. There we go. I went ahead and painted the entire top blue. Well, let me show you. There you go. The next thing that I'm going to do is paint the top purple, and I'm going to use a small art. I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's new project. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments. If you got value, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. A thumbs up would be great. And I hope that you have a wonderful, fantastic day. Bye. Peace out.